I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel using either your iPhone or your Android device. Let's get started. First, open YouTube and locate the profile picture in the top right corner. Tap on it and select sign in. If you already have a Gmail account, simply sign in here. Otherwise, scroll down to the bottom section and tap on create account to set up a new account for your YouTube channel. Next, enter your first and last name, birthday, and choose an email address. You can either create your own or select one from the pre-selected options. Then, create a password, review your account info, and click next to agree to the terms and conditions. Congratulations! Your YouTube account is now officially created. To set up your channel, click on your profile picture and select your channel, and then you can add your name and profile picture. Once everything is set up, click create channel and wait a moment for your channel to be created. You can then click on your profile picture, go to your channel, and from there you can create videos or customize your profile picture and channel banner using the pencil icon. One important step to prevent hacking is to click on your profile picture. From there, click on manage your Google accounts, which will take you to the next page. Once you're here, head over to the security section and set up everything accordingly. This includes adding a backup email, a backup phone number, and enabling two-step authentication. I've witnessed people who neglected these security measures and ended up getting hacked, losing access to their channel completely. So it's crucial to activate these features as they are designed to protect you. It's quick and easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.